You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this plant. There are different pronunciations indeed in English. It's a plant of North American origin, and it's usually pronounced two different ways in English. Both pronunciations are correct. More generally in English it's pronounced as Baptisia. Baptisia, alright? Some say it more as Baptisia as well, because that's the more Latin pronunciation, Baptisia. But in English it's generally pronounced as Baptisia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.